If you're looking for information on the Voilà Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Voilà Lifetime Deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Voilà Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. What is Voilà? Voilà is a browser extension powered by artificial intelligence that enables you to create high-quality content, obtain answers to queries, and increase your productivity. This tool can answer any query, from simple fact searches to complex explanations. You won't have to squander time sifting through random Google results because you'll get answers directly in your browser. You will also be able to generate an outline for pitch decks, campaigns, and blog posts, ensuring that your content begins on the proper foot. Voilà Lifetime Deal Features Overview. It integrates with Gmail to assist you in composing timely, considerate emails and responses without manually sorting through your inbox. Simply describing the type of email you need will generate a flawless draft in mere seconds. In addition, you can generate communications with the appropriate tone and atmosphere, ranging from general and casual to formal, creative, and urgent. This extension will assist you in writing high-quality marketing copy for blog posts, ad campaigns, and SEO-focused content. It is also simple to enhance existing copy, correct grammatical errors, summarize important information, and translate text. Simply select the text and the tool will do the rest. In addition, you can generate technical content such as domain-specific product development documents, UX copy, and engineering-related content. It simplifies your experience by providing you with shortcuts that accelerate your workflow and productivity. This browser extension is compatible with Shopify, LinkedIn, Facebook, Trello, MailChimp, WordPress, and Google Drive, among others. Utilize simple shortcuts to perform work-related tasks swiftly and increase productivity. Quickly obtain answers to queries, enhance your writing, and get Voilà Lifetime Deal Review in your personal AI assistant for supercharged productivity. Plus, you can generate messages that capture the right tone and vibe, from general and casual to formal, creative, and urgent. Speed up how you craft professional emails with the powerful Gmail integration. This extension can help you write high-quality marketing copy for blog posts, advertising campaigns, and SEO-focused content. It's also easy to improve existing copy, fix grammatical errors, summarize key information, and translate text. Just select the text and the tool takes care of the rest. Plus, you can create technical content like domain-specific documents in product development, UX copy, and engineering-related content. You'll get everything you need to write high-quality marketing content. Best of all, Voilà helps you streamline your experience with convenient shortcuts to speed up your workflow and productivity. You can use this browser extension across websites like Shopify, LinkedIn, Facebook, Trello, MailChimp, WordPress, and Google Drive. And since none of your content or AI conversations is stored on Voilà's servers, you can rest easy knowing that your confidential info stays private. Speed up your workflow with convenient shortcuts. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. Lifetime access to Voilà. If plan name changes, deal will be mapped to the new plan name with all accompanying updates. GDPR compliant. All future Ultimate Plan updates. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 2 license tiers. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. That's why Voilà is packed with smart features that help you get answers to questions, improve your writing quality, and streamline your workflow right from your browser. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Voilà today. One-time purchase of $29 only.